The deep ocean is Earth's final frontier, a place so mysterious it feels like another planet. At depths where sunlight cannot reach, extraordinary life forms exist, resembling aliens from science fiction. In this video, we dive into the abyss to uncover the alien-like creatures that call the deep sea home. Prepare to be amazed by glowing predators, translucent hunters, and survival strategies that are nothing short of otherworldly. These creatures defy our understanding of life, thriving in total darkness, crushing pressure, and freezing temperatures. Join us as we explore the alien world beneath the waves. Anglerfish. Meet the anglerfish, one of the deepest ocean's most iconic creatures. With its glowing lure, it attracts prey straight into its terrifying jaws. The anglerfish's glow is caused by bioluminescent bacteria living in its lure, a perfect example of nature's bizarre symbiosis. But that's not all. Male anglerfish are tiny compared to females and live as parasites attaching to her body for life. A strange romance in a world of darkness. Vampire squid. Despite its name, the vampire squid is not a bloodsucker. This mysterious creature uses bioluminescent displays to confuse predators. Its dark webbing between its arms resembles a vampire's cloak, and when threatened, it performs a light show by releasing glowing mucus into the water. Atolla jellyfish. The Atolla jellyfish is nicknamed the alarm jellyfish. When attacked, it emits a stunning bioluminescent display that attracts larger predators to scare off its attacker. Its mesmerizing lights make it look like a UFO drifting through the depths. Giant squid. The giant squid is one of the most elusive deep-sea creatures. Growing up to 40 feet in length, these massive predators inspired legends of sea monsters. They are armed with long tentacles covered in sharp suckers and can battle even sperm whales in the depths of the ocean. Lanternfish. Lanternfish are tiny yet extraordinary. They make up one of the largest biomasses on Earth, and their bioluminescent bodies help them blend in with the faint light above or confuse predators below. During the night, they rise to the ocean's surface to feed, creating a glowing spectacle. Goblin shark. The goblin shark looks like a creature straight out of nightmares. Known as a living fossil, this species has remained unchanged for millions of years. Its most terrifying feature is its extendable jaw, which lunges forward to snatch prey in an instant. Truly, it's one of the ocean's strangest predators. Barrel-eye fish. The barrel-eye fish seems like it belongs in a science fiction movie. Its transparent head allows it to look upward through its own skull to spot prey in the dim light above. Black dragonfish. With its needle-like teeth and bioluminescent belly, the black dragonfish is a deadly predator of the deep. Unlike most bioluminescent creatures, it can emit red light, which is invisible to most other species. This unique ability lets it hunt unseen in the darkness. Dumbo octopus. The Dumbo octopus is as cute as deep-sea creatures get. Named for its ear-like fins that resemble Disney's Dumbo, this octopus uses its fin to glide gracefully through the water. Despite its adorable appearance, it's a skilled hunter, feeding on worms and crustaceans on the ocean floor. Amphipods. Amphipods may be small, but they play a big role in the deep-sea ecosystem. These scavengers feed on dead matter, cleaning up the ocean floor. Some species can survive in the deepest parts of the ocean, withstanding pressures that would crush a human. Tripod fish. The tripod fish is one of the most unusual creatures in the deep. It uses its elongated fins to perch on the ocean floor, waiting patiently for food to drift by. In a world where resources are scarce, this unique hunting strategy is key to its survival. Bioluminescent bacteria. Many deep-sea creatures owe their glow to bioluminescent bacteria. These tiny organisms form symbiotic relationships with their hosts, providing light in exchange for a home. From anglerfish to jellyfish, their glow lights up the alien world of the deep. The deep ocean remains one of the least explored parts of our planet, home to creatures that defy our imagination. With each new discovery, we are reminded of the wonders lurking in the depths, a world that feels more alien than earthly. What secrets lie beyond? Only time will tell. Thank you for diving into the alien-like world of the deep ocean with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more journeys into Earth's mysteries.